Hello, and welcome to our Newton's Laws presentation. During this presentation, we will go over all three of Newton's laws and provide examples for each. Newton's first law states that any object at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside, unbalanced force. Corollary to that, any object in motion will continue to stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside, unbalanced force, ceasing said motion. Here is Bobby. Him and his friend are waiting online for a gravitron ride. If Bobby is not pushed or pulled while waiting in line, he will not move. If the line is moving forward, he will not pause until the people in front of him cease motion, forcing him to halt.
Now we can get into Newton's second law. Newton's second law states that the net force on a certain object is equal to the mass times the acceleration of said object. This can be easily put as F net equals ma. So let's say Bobby rolls a ball down a hill after he is off the ride. The ball has a mass of 1 kilogram and is accelerating down the hill at a rate of 2 meters per second squared. Now if you do the math, the net force for this would equal 2 newtons. Lastly, let's get to the third law of motion. Newton stated that every action has an equal but opposite reaction. Getting back to the ball, let's say there's a wall at the end of the hill. Bad placement, huh? Anyways, let's say the ball was rolling and it eventually hits into the wall and then bounces back. So the action would be the ball hitting into the wall, but then the reaction would be the wall pushing back onto the ball, and then the ball shoots back outwards, right? Action, reaction. Newton's third law.